There's a reason this gelatin trick isn't being pushed on TV or big fitness channels. It doesn't rely on motivation, discipline, or suffering. And once people try it, they stop needing those things altogether. I'll be honest. When I first heard about it, I expected nothing. Just another hack people talk about online. But what happened after a few days completely caught me off guard. My appetite started changing, not in a forced way. It just quieted down. I wasn't thinking about food all day. I wasn't reaching for snacks out of boredom. And the strange bloated feeling I used to have after meals, gone. All of this from one simple spoon a day, taken at the right time. No workouts, no calorie counting, no cutting out everything I enjoy. That's when I learned something most diets never mention. Your gut decides when your body stores fat and when it lets it go. This ritual focuses on fixing that first, using a basic ingredient almost everyone already has at home. Nothing artificial, nothing extreme. If you're curious to see the exact recipe and when to use it for best results, check the pinned comment. Once this starts spreading too much, videos like this usually disappear.